What if I told you this humble household item holds secrets that can transform your daily life? From sparkling clean homes to life-saving medical uses, hydrogen peroxide is the unsung hero in our cabinets. Hydrogen peroxide is often overlooked, but its potential is vast and impressive. Stay with us as we reveal how this simple compound can revolutionize your cleaning routine, health regimen, and even your garden. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 surprising ways hydrogen peroxide can enhance your life. Some of these uses might just save you time, money, and even a trip to the doctor. Imagine having a single product that can tackle tough stains, heal wounds, and even improve your plant's health. Intrigued? Hydrogen peroxide is not just versatile, it's also cost-effective and eco-friendly. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can simplify your life, save money, and reduce your environmental footprint. Let's dive in and explore these unexpected benefits. Kill germs and bacteria on surfaces with just a spray. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Simply pour hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and apply it directly to the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down grime and disinfect. Wipe clean with a cloth or sponge. It's an effective and eco-friendly way to keep your home sparkling clean. Achieve a whiter smile without expensive treatments. Safe and effective when used correctly. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water to create a mouth rinse. Swish the solution in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Alternatively, you can use a cotton swab to apply the mixture directly to your teeth. Remember to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterward. For an extra boost, you can also add a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to your toothpaste before brushing. This can help to remove surface stains and keep your smile bright. Prevent infections with this reliable antiseptic, a must-have for any first aid kit. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to clean minor cuts and scrapes, helping to prevent infection. Simply apply a small amount to a cotton ball and gently clean the affected area. After cleaning, make sure to cover the wound with a sterile bandage to keep it protected. Remove harmful pesticides and bacteria. Ensure your produce is safe and clean. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts water. Soak your fruits and vegetables for about 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove any residue. This method helps eliminate pesticides and bacteria, making your produce safer to eat. Erase tough stains from clothes. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful yet gentle solution for your laundry. Simply pour a small amount directly onto the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, then wash as usual. It works wonders on blood, wine, and even grass stains. Promote plant growth and prevent root rot. Your garden will thrive with a little hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 10 parts water and use it to water your plants. This solution helps to oxygenate the soil, ensuring that roots stay healthy and strong. It can also help to ward off pests and diseases, making your garden more resilient. Fight acne-causing bacteria with hydrogen peroxide. This powerful antiseptic can help reduce inflammation and clear up blemishes. Simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently dab onto affected areas. Remember to use it sparingly and follow up with a moisturizer to prevent dryness. An effective addition to your skincare routine. Eliminate odors in shoes, trash cans, and more. A natural and effective deodorizer. Simply spray a small amount inside your shoes to kill bacteria and neutralize odors. For trash cans, wipe the inside with a cloth soaked in hydrogen peroxide to disinfect and remove lingering smells. It's also great for cleaning kitchen surfaces, cutting boards, and even bathroom tiles. Safely remove earwax buildup. Improve your hearing and comfort. Use a few drops of hydrogen peroxide in your ear. Let it sit for a few minutes to soften the wax. Then gently flush with warm water. Repeat as needed for clearer hearing. Restore the look of your tile floors. A simple solution for tough grime. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the grout and let it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub with a brush and rinse with water. Your tiles will look as good as new. Add a little hydrogen peroxide to your vase water. Keep your flowers fresh longer. Mix 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide with 1 quart of water. This solution helps to kill bacteria and fungi that can cause your flowers to wilt. Now that you've seen these incredible uses, let's add one more to the list. Imagine extending the life of your beautiful bouquet with just a few drops. Ready to unlock the full potential of hydrogen peroxide in your home? Start experimenting with these tips today and see the difference for yourself. Use it to clean countertops, disinfect your laundry, and even sanitize your toothbrush. For first aid, apply it to minor cuts and scrapes to prevent infection. Use it to whiten your teeth by mixing it with baking soda. Clean your vegetables by soaking them in a hydrogen peroxide solution. You can also clean mirrors and remove carpet stains with ease. Add it to your humidifier to keep it free from mold and bacteria. Try these tips and transform your daily routine with the power of hydrogen peroxide. Who knew one product could offer so many benefits?